Holy crap, guys. I finally made it to Oklahoma City. But I could have dropped the load. Why? It has to drop at 0 hours. Yeah. No. I got a load going from here to California. I'm waiting for them to send a T-call. Well, you were kind of close. Waiting for them to send a T-call so I can hook to that trailer and get the hell out of here. Screw that load. I don't like that load. Get rid of that load. I don't want it. But there was a funny message that did occur last night that I want to show you. So let's take a look at that. Alright. So I had to do a running late message because, well, I was running late. So let's go down here. It says specific location for shutdown at fuel stop. That's just kind of where I was. Reason for delay. Where to start. Weather, ice, snow, wind, and everything but the kitchen sink. That was my reply. I did not think that I was going to get this as the reply. Yeah. I about lost it, guys. That was just funny as hell to me. I put it on my Facebook. I put it on my Instagram. I completely lost it. It was good. It really was. So anyway, I am waiting for them to give me the T-call so I can turn in the paperwork. As you can see, I no longer have the trailer on the back of my truck. You should be able to see that here. Yeah, you can. I dropped the trailer already, so I'm not gonna hook up to that trailer again. Hopefully not. But anyway, I'll be off to California. Hopefully, oh my god, I said hopefully so much in this video and another video that I watched and I noticed it. But I don't want any more snow or bad weather. Going west, I'm hoping it's gonna be good. So anyway, thank you for watching. Please comment, like, rate, subscribe. I got more videos coming. Hopefully I can forget it. I said that word again. Have a good one. Later.